was it, a GTR? Interesting spec. What do you guys think? So many people here, bro. This is crazy. Oh my god. I absolutely love this car, guys. Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Beemer Fam. You guys join me inside straight pipe BMW M4. Today we're going to be heading to a supercar slash hypercar slash Lamborghini meet. There's going to be a lot of exotic cars in today's video. We've got a pretty rainy and wet day today, so who knows? Maybe we get some drifts in. We just put some gas in the car, so let's go ahead and hop on the road, get some accelerations in, enjoy the car, and pull up to the meet. It is rainy season, y'all. So given the conditions, it's going to be really interesting to see how many cars turn up in the rain. It'll be nice to see these exotics in this setting as well. I'm actually really looking forward to this because usually you'd see these things all cleaned up, all spotless, not really being used like how I would, you know what I'm saying? Oh my god. Oh my god. This car is just so fun, bro. So before we get started with today's video, we get to thank the sponsor, which is Simply Carbon Fiber. Simply Carbon Fiber offers real and genuine carbon fiber accessories like this forged carbon fiber money clip, which is an easily accessible, minimalistic way of holding your credit card, your ID, and even some cash. And I gotta say, I've been using these money clips, not only the forged carbon fiber one, but the more traditional carbon fiber one, for well over 6 months now. I used to have an iPhone case that would carry my cash and credit cards. It's replaced that. It's also replaced my wallet. Aside from money clips, they also have other genuine real carbon fiber accessories like watches, sunglasses, phone cases, phone mounts, and even more. And the best part about this is Simply Carbon Fiber is doing a 30% off the entire store until Christmas, December 25th. So if you guys are interested, make sure you click those links in the description. Utilize that 30% off before the sale ends on Christmas. And with that being said, let's get back on the highway and get on with today's video. Got a nice brand new Z4 M40i. Which one do you guys think? You taking a Z4 or a Supra? Oh. We are off the highway. We have about 2 minutes until we pull up, so let's go ahead and pull up, park up, and see what kind of cars are here. We got the M4 parked up next to a nice M340. I'm actually surprised. There's already a lot of people here and the event hasn't even technically started. It starts in about a half hour, so we're gonna walk over there, see what kind of cars are here so far, and then we're gonna catch all the cars pulling in. Which edition is this one?
This is the Technica.
Check out the interior on
You
this.
need to see it before it really starts hitting the roads because they're not out yet.
Okay, cool. Check out the seats on this. Reminds me of the Performante, just a little bit more intricate design. Got that big screen in the middle. Smells nice in there too. Beautiful.
Beemer Fam?
Yes, sir. How you doing, man?
Good.
As you can see, it is just downpouring out here, which is cool because you see the cars in a different environment, right? You know, it's not every day you see these cars being driven, being parked up in the rain like this. There goes Dave in the Lambo. a heads up, we had to switch to the iPhone because it's raining too hard. I don't want to damage my camera. But check out this GT4 RS. Obviously this F8 with the wheel setup is beautiful, but speed yellow on the GT4 RS, it's just straight gorgeous. Look at the air intakes feeding that mid-engine Wow, check that out. You kind of see the environment right now. The sun is poking. Really cool lighting, some vibes, but it's just downpouring and rain. Everybody's wet. Look at that Lambo. Check out this McLaren. I'm not even sure what this is, but it's straight gorgeous. The paint shifts in about 2-3 different colors, carbon everywhere. Wow, how cool is that? Not to mention this P1, was it a GTR? Look at the roof scoop on it. Damn, just look at the mirrors alone on this thing. Insane. Jeez, fire trucks. This thing is so big. Hey, fellow Michigan plate, let's go. Check out this lavender type McLaren 570. It's a nice color. There's an Eleanor Mustang. That is sick. Next to a 458. It's a nice combo. Got some more supercars pulling in. Look at the rainbow though. NSX Type R, Type S, sorry. Interesting spec. What do you guys think? Oh yeah. And the 3RS ultraviolet. That right there, man. Oh, I love these cars. That is nice. You can see cars are just rolling in left and right. Damn, look at this S560. The BMW crew pull up strong and left. Oh my God. Look at all of these people, bro. That's insane. Wow, look at this wide body Porsche pink, kind of like the Ruby Star red. That is nice. It's DB11. Wow, look at this kit on this McLaren. That's a good looking setup. Nice M4 comp as well. Nice G80. 992. Look at these S classes. Nice Huracan, man. The kind of cars at this event, man, is insane. Nice X4M, that's beautiful. San Marino blue. We're gonna go ahead and go for one more pass. We're gonna get out of here. Wow, look at everybody moving across the street. Oh, that was sick. So many people here, bro. This is crazy. Oh my God. Damn. Dude, the car culture here in California is unmatched. I mean, this is in the middle of December. People are just going up and down the street, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. You can see we've got a 458 Spider in front of us, and in front of that is an Aventador S. These are some of my favorite cars right here from Lamborghini and Ferrari. between these two, which one's your favorite? The Aventador, it looks like this one has an exhaust. I kind of see some blue pipes in the back. And obviously 458 Spider, that's just legendary. I'm gonna have to go with the big Aventador. Whoa, we shaking and baking. Oh my God. Everybody just started drifting. Me and the 458 went sideways. How cool is this? Say goodbye to the Italian boys. Oh, oh my God. I absolutely love this car, guys. Oh man, here we go. Let's light this underpass up. Oh my God. Oh, nice F80. So that'll just about do it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check us out on Instagram at Beemer Fam, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.